Good afternoon, everyone. It is a gorgeous day outside, almost clear skies. So I wanted to come out here and show you this 221BH passport. This is a part of the SL passport series. So let's go ahead and get started with the outside first. You have some diamond plating down at the bottom of your front cap. And you even have two propane, so they're under this plastic casing. You even have a power tongue jack. And then let's check out the weight. It comes in a little bit over 5,300 pounds, so it is on the lighter side. And then over here on your non-camping side, you have all of your hookups. So starting from the top, you have a key TV hookup, satellite, and cable. You even have an outside shower that does come with a nozzle. It's actually right there. Access to hot and cold water. Fresh and city water connection, and of course you have this pass-through storage, so great spot to put any extra camping goods that you want to bring, chairs, umbrellas, and all that stuff. These doors actually have the magnetic latch to it, so that's really nice. You can do it with one hand like I'm doing right now. Coming back over to our camping side, you also have a power awning, and they do have LED lights which look really cool. Outside speakers, and then this is your main entrance, as you can see. Moving along, you also have a key TV hookup out here, so 110 outlet plus cable and satellite hookup. You actually could probably set a table out here and then have your TV all nice and set up underneath your big power awning, but on that table as well. So really fun family movie night. Moving along, you have some shelving space for kitchen utensils, plates, you know, any pots and stuff. And then just underneath that is actually a couple burners. And then I'm not going to open this because it's all nice and put away, but you have a mini fridge as well. And then, as you can see at your rear, you do have a walkable roof because of your ladder. So that's great for keeping up on maintenance with your camper. And then an access door, which I'll talk about that a little bit more on the inside. And you also have a spare tire. So now let's go look at the inside. As you can see, this is your living room and your bedroom area because this is a Murphy bed. A lot of people love these just because it really opens up the space, but then you're able to put away your bed and stuff when you have guests over during the day. Really comfortable plush leather material for your sofa, so very nice to sit in. And then, of course, you have three big drawers that kind of double as storage underneath. End tables on both sides. The one on the left actually has a drawer just for additional space. And then you actually have outlets and USBs to be able to plug in your electronics and stuff while it is in that bed position. And this does come down pretty easily. All you have to do is just move this top cushion and then unlatch either side, and it should come down into a queen size bed. Above each nightstand is also your wardrobe. So closet clothes hanger is on both sides as well. You can hang things up, and there's even an extra shelf in there. Also, there is a privacy curtain, so if you need to block things out, you know, a little extra privacy. Coming into our kitchen and dining room space. To my right is your U-shaped dinette. Same material as the sofa, very soft and plush. I just love the U-shaped dinettes because one, it folds out into another sleeping space, and two, you got this storage underneath. Really long drawers too. Plus, they're comfortable. The price for this unit comes out to be $26,995 for everything. And then across into our kitchen. So you have this extended countertop space to, you know, really spread everything out and have your food prepping space pretty much everywhere and not feel super cramped. Stainless steel open mount sink. And then, of course, you have this cover for even more countertop space. Really pretty matte black finish for the faucets. And this also is a spray faucet for washing your dishes. Extra long window at the back so you can still be a part of all the camping activities even when you're in the kitchen. Storage down below your L-shaped countertop space. And then looking up just above is your TV, and I believe you can swivel this around. So if you want to watch positions of it from the living room / bedroom area, you can do that, or there's enough space in your booth dinette to watch TV from there. To To the right is your microwave. And then just down below is your range fan, plus you have an additional light. 3 burner top stove top with a glass range cover. And there's your oven. To the right is your refrigerator, of course. And then across from that, you just have additional storage space. You can use this for the living room space, for bathroom space, kitchen, and even for your guests or kids staying right there. There is also a built-in clothes rack. So it just gives you a lot of different options to put whatever you want there. And now to our bunks. So your top bunk is rated for 300 pounds. So a full-size adult can actually sleep up there. And these are pretty wide too. So depending on size, a couple kids can fit up there. There's also 2 windows, 1 on each bunk. So you have some natural light coming in. And then if you guys can see, you have that access door I was talking about. So if you have no need to use this bottom bunk whatsoever, it actually will fold up and you'll be able to access that door from the outside and place even more storage in there. Bikes could probably fit in there. I'm not sure about canoes. You could try, but definitely bikes can fit in there, or just whatever you need. There's even a privacy curtain, so you can block that off and you don't have to show that to your guests. And then last but not least, we have our bathroom. So right across is your foot flush toilet. Nice stand-up shower, and this camper is not plugged in, but it just shows you how much natural light comes in from that skylight. And then, of course, you have your vent fan to help get rid of steam and unwanted odors. And then you have your sink with storage below it. And then, of course, your medicine cabinet. Plus, you have a shade for your window, but again, even more natural light can come in here. So that is it for this passport, you guys. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know and we are happy to help.